How to fix new posts not showing on Facebook. Hi everyone, it's Sophia to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Facebook, log into your account, then click on three lines on top right corner of your screen. Then click on See Your Profile. It will lead you to your profile. In here, you'll find your post. Simply click on three dots and then go to Edit Privacy. If it's not showing on timeline, it may be because of Only Me option. Make sure you click on Public or Friends Only. After you do that, your Facebook post will be shown on your timeline. This is how to fix new posts not showing on Facebook. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. I am Sophia signing off. Until next time.